Hello everybody. Today we're going to take you through a workaround for to be able to speak or send messages by email through the online campus to your students as an instructor or manager. So this is a test manager in a group that we have available, and you will normally have the reports function available as a group manager. In order to send an email to an individual user, unfortunately it's not possible to send through the standard email function. You need to use this workaround in order to be able to send individual emails to individual users. So you go to basic reports, reports, basic reports, create report, course status report, choose the demo course, which isn't in this particular group, but we'll use the critical elements of customer service as an example. Run report, and you'll see here that there's the list of users. In order to select the user to send an email to, click test user, and then you can click on the envelope icon here, and you can send a message to that individual learner. So you can do that over and over again as needed, and you can select the different users. Obviously this is coming to me, so I'm not sure if it'll let me, but we'll see. Yeah, it will. So you can select the individual users as needed. So that's it, simple and sweet. But it'll allow you to be able to follow up on the people who have signed up for demos or signed up for courses in order to make sure that they're making progress and answer any questions that they may have. Thank you very much for your time.